Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Harold Downs, meteorology major for Valparaiso University. I'm here to do the daily weather forecast for tomorrow, Saturday, the 17th of September. This one's going to be going up a little bit later because I've been busy all day with doing work and stuff, but I'm here. Don't worry, I didn't forget like a couple other times. But let's get straight into this one. I'm going to make this one as short as I can because I'm a bit tired and it's pretty late. Considering the 03 model is almost up, it's pretty scary. But we're going to take a look here. I'm going to make sure this runs through all of Saturday. And looks like it doesn't. Okay, well, take a look at the NAM instead. Amateur forecaster here, like I said. Or okay, let's take a look at surface temperature like we always do. Let's get to our time. So this is 1 a.m. As you can see, low 60s, some mid to upper 60s here in Cook County. Let's just advance 3 hours. Temperatures, remember this is about 4 a.m. in the morning. Not terrible. If you're outside at 4 in the morning, you're going to get low 60s, a couple mid 60s over here. This is 7 a.m. So as you can see, still pretty mild, mid 60s. See in this area, northern Indiana, northwest Indiana by Valparaiso, low 60s and some low 60s over here. This is 10 a.m. This is when things start to heat up a little bit. 68 degrees, some low to mid 70s. Don't really see anything. You got a couple high 70s in central Illinois, but we're not really focused on that right now. 1 p.m. This is when it starts to get pretty hot. If you remember on our weekly forecast, and yesterday I think I briefly talked over it, but this weekend's the start of a potential heat wave where we could see temperatures around 90 on Sunday. See temperatures low to mid 80s right now over our area of forecasting. And another 3 hours. Staying pretty constant, still low to mid 80s. See this area over here, pretty interesting. Might be cloud cover, might be rain, don't know for sure. Advance another 3 hours. This is 7 p.m. So looking about 84, 85 for your high tomorrow. Some areas you're probably going to get probably 81 to 84. 84 degrees, I'd say, is about a good high prediction. See, this cooler air coming, so some tells me there might be some sort of a rain, and then this might be a low pressure cold front coming through. Uh, this is, let's see here, 10 p.m. on Saturday. See, temperatures are still pretty steady right now, low to mid 70s. This is 1 a.m. for Sunday. Now, to take a high or low, you really gotta go forward. 4 p.m. Okay. So right now I'm looking at a high of about 80 to 84, 85 in the northwest Indiana and Chicagoland region. Lows, I'd say about 62 to 67 is a good low region. Let's take a look at dew point temperature real quick. Let's go back to our time. 66. And like I always do, I won't speed through this fast. Low to mid 60s for dew points. Just curious if it increases. You got a little bit more humid air up here. A high 60s. Seeing the night humid air kind of moves out at 1 p.m., which is actually pretty good. See, this pretty humid air, 70s, starting to move in through here, and yeah, this must be a low temperature or a cold front type system right now. What you got tight isobars right there. 7 p.m. still mid 60s. 10 p.m. There you go, 1 a.m. in the morning. So I'd say 62 to 66 is a good region for dew point temperature around the area. Uh, Pretty interesting. A little muggy. It's going to be a pretty hot day, so if you're working outside, doing stuff outside, just make sure you stay hydrated during the day. I'm going to take a look at surface based CAPE right now. So this is 1 a.m. on Saturday. I just want to scroll through this and see if we have anything. Okay, so here we go. This is 1 p.m. on Saturday. Got some regions on here. And now I want to take a look at this region up here in Wisconsin just to take a look and see if there's anything to be concerned about. And look at this. We have a tornado reading, and the photograph is not terrible. Shear is not the best. Cape is good, not in a lot of cap. Pretty close to backed winds. Sounding looks good. LFC is a little high, so gonna be tough to produce one. But you can see past soundings that hit with this type of model had pretty significant supercell in 1999, and then a couple of weak ones in '03 and '99, and a couple severe hail times in July in '06 and '91, and back then. So I'd say potential for severe weather in southern Wisconsin is a little bit higher. Now I can look at the SPC. I also want to take a look at in this part of Illinois, since I'm forecasting for that. I just want to see what this sounding has for it, and they have marginal severe. And the LFC is actually a lot better than the tornado one. But I don't think the shears can be high enough to produce severe weather. The other ingredients are there. The LFC is a little high, but we'll see. Now we still got to run through this. And okay, so it's still pretty solid right now and pretty high. This is actually more increase. I know this is almost off my map, so we're not forecasting. I just want to see. It says a severe reading. Shear's actually an ideal. The photograph is okay. Cap is good. Sin is or cape is good. There's not much cap, so and there's very close backed wind. So right now we could see some severe weather out in southern and Wisconsin tomorrow. But for us, I don't see anything convective wise. Maybe up here, maybe we might get some storm system that moves up the north, up just catching parts of northern Illinois. And same thing with the mean layer cape and cap. I'm not going to look at the model there. And most unstable, this does not tell us our cap, so yeah. Pretty interesting to see. And there's potential severe weather system Sunday. I'm very curious. Cape of over 4,000. Western or eastern Iowa, western Iowa, just severe. And sounding is dead because of this. But yeah, let's exit out of that. Okay, supercell composite. We could take a look at this. This will probably be higher readings up in Wisconsin. Yeah. Oh, look at this one right here. We got some heavy supercell composite reading right there. I want to take a look at the sounding real quick. Just take a look and see. Weak tornado. So not. Oh, we have a positive omega, and it's very capped. See, look at this. Yeah, that's not gonna count. But wow, pretty interesting. Significant tornado parameter. Anything? No. Okay. All right. Now let's go to our GFS. Take a look at the. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go out back to the contiguous US. Come on. Okay, there we go. You gotta use the 18Z model. Let's take a look at wind speed. See what we're doing with this trough. Oh, go back. Okay, so this is 1 a.m. Saturday. Remember, you gotta draw it. You got this is what a standard jet stream looks like. Got a ridge, got a trough. Cold, or sorry, warm, cold. This area right here, give you a second. That's where you're done. That's where the best chance for severe weather will be in the trough. The right side of your trough is the best chance. So if we go look at it right here. So this is 1 a.m. Not really. This might be a part of a right side of the trough, and this might be the system. I have to check. So as you can see, there's a huge low out here in the Pacific Ocean, just off the coast of California, Oregon, and Washington. Potentially part of there, and we have tiny short waves. That's on Sunday. Eh. So this looks like the system that potentially could be hitting. You got some short waves in here, so yeah, there might be some spotty supercells forming in northwestern Illinois that goes up into the southern Wisconsin area. So potential for that. Now, one more thing before I end this forecast is I want to go to the SPC, Storm Prediction Center, to see what they predict for tomorrow. You can see there's actually severe weather. I already looked at that for today. I want to look at a day 2 outlook because that's where it's going to be. Here. Okay, yeah, day 2 outlook. Okay, so all right, so they're not predicting anything in Wisconsin, but as you can see, it's very close to Wisconsin. There's some slight margins there for Des Moines, Waterloo, St. Cloud, Minnesota, Ames, and West Des Moines. Let's go back. Let's see if they have a 4 through 8. 4 through 8. Day 3. This is what I want to look at. Okay, so this was for Sunday. This is where I predicted there could be a chance for severe weather. And you see that slight moved over. So here we got some Illinois and Northwest Indiana is going to get some slight areas in my forecast region, but potential for severe weather. We'll see. But yeah, for tomorrow at least, I don't see anything that says, hey, severe weather in my area. Remember, was southern Wisconsin and western Illinois, northwestern Illinois could have some action in the afternoon. Although it's very weak. Like I said, Sunday is going to be the area to watch. So once we get to a day 2 outlook tomorrow, I'll take a look at Sunday. But yeah, I don't think we're going to get much tomorrow. High between 80 and 85. Low between 60 and 61 and 65. Dew point 62 to 67, I'd say. Actually, let's take a look at the rain precipitation. I never did that, and I usually do that. Precipitation. I just want to see what's expected. Alright, so the area might potentially get some rain over the weekend. But yeah, overall, I think it's going to be pretty good. I'm going to cut it off here because I'm tired. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys take care and stay safe. Peace.